SDK.finance. In this video, I'll show you the technical stack of our front-end application. This project is built with Vue.js 2.7 and follows modern development practices. We use the composition API, which makes our code more structured and easier to manage. To improve code quality and maintainability, we write everything in TypeScript 5.4. For navigation, we rely on Vue Router 3.6 to manage application routes. Global state management is handled by Vuex 3.6, enabling us to store and share data across components efficiently. To enhance development speed and performance, we use Vite 5.3 as our build tool. It provides fast hot module replacement and efficient bundling. For styling, we use Tailwind CSS 3.4. Rather than cluttering templates with utility classes, we apply styles in SCSS files using the @apply directive. We also use Element UI2, a component library that helps speed up UI development. To maintain code consistency, we rely on ESLint with TypeScript support to catch errors and enforce best practices. StyleLint 16.6 to ensure clean and well-structured CSS SCSS. Prettier 3.3 for automatic code formatting. Additionally, we use several libraries to optimize our workflow. Vue Query 5.5 for efficient data fetching and caching. Axios 1.7 to handle HTTP requests. Vue i18n for multilingual support in the application.